This is a behind the scenes look at an amateur podcasting studio. Most of the time when you see me, it's from some angle like this, and you maybe get a little bit of my nerd collection. When you back out though, it's just a normal little office in a house. I've got my standing desk because duh, I try to work in healthy habits wherever I can. Got a couple of monitors, a mic on a boom, 3-point lighting, and then of course I've got my nerd collection sort of behind me. If you have any questions about what's up there, it's mostly Warhammer and comic book stuff. A little more there, and then lots and lots and lots of stuff on the walls that is designed to reduce echo even just a little bit. My good buddy Bill, who runs a podcast called Grappling With, it's a jiu-jitsu podcast, turned me on to these moving blankets. They are cheap, they're thick, they're effective, and turns out to be a good little hack. If you have any specific questions, let me know, drop it in the comments.